and gentlemen, and welcome to the Late Night Show. Baby, give me jollof. Give me jollof, man, you know what I'm saying? Not the only girls that they call, my jollof rice, yeah. How you do today? You just say that food. You know, take banana to you, go, you take banana, you a zoo lion or monkey or something. And the time that should at least that could talk the other way.
Talk them back, moving up late.
Baby, give me jollof. You know. When Sefiya comes, she will explain the jollof rice and everything on top of the whole thing, and they will welcome everybody officially to the Late Night Show. And of course, Jace. My name, as usual, you know, Michael, but they call me Ogbolo, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And on the wheels of steel, as usual, my guy, my G, my every, you know, the Ororo boy head, everything, Edo boy, Beanie boy, looking hot and every with the Moscow. DJ is a beast.
That's it.
On the wheels of steel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Cheers.
Can't feel himself, very self-acclaimed whiskey DJ. Is he a whiskey DJ? I'm waiting. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, today on top of the show, not making brain things, we get some very making sense guys in the building. You see me and my handkerchief, now because of the baby give me jollof, you know,
and the
get it, mama. And today my mama's birthday.
Happy birthday, Momsy. We love you. Woo!
More sing one song for her. We don't harmonize the thing. Understand? You start this song.
No, but you talk out.
I won't carry and go area.
Okay.
Say happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. You gotta do that with your heart now. Hey, happy kid.
You never sing, you don't dance.
No, I did dance on her behalf now.
Okay.
So if they watch her now, you do that. Say, hey, my son, no, this boy, yeah, I'm not saying one day go make us happy. You know, I like, I don't know what is that yet.
Yeah.
No, but we just want to happy birthday.
It's a fair show, you go journal, so we go harmonize that together.
Okay, make Sefiya show first, Abi.
So we harmonize that together.
So, okay, so together we just harmonize every. All right, so as said earlier, we get Sefiya in the building. Very beautiful chick. If you see the hotness, oh, it's not a joking something. You understand? Even me, I know I go lose guard for the show today. I go lose guard. I cannot control myself. And aside from that one, we get one of the hottest producers. One of the guys that will change music for this country. He do enough things, enough production and every. He do some singing too. You understand? But for some time now, you just lay low. You just say, man live for the children. You know, I say bros and every. No matter you live for them, maybe all the wrong things. We get ID Kabasa in the building. You know what it do? ID Kabasa. That year. If you don't know that name,
you don't know.
You are sleeping on the bicycle. All right, we're going to show yourself. We get Eddie in the house, and together all of us go run the whole package, okay? So don't go anywhere. The show, going to start now. All right, so tell somebody to tell person, say the Late Night Show you have started. All right, so DJ Easy Beat, carry and come out, and they come back. Thank you. You far too kind. They pay me. The kind songs with the great cat for this country these days. They catch me. Okay, now based on that particular thing, now don't waka enter the segment where they call the Cocoa of the Day.
When you see woman women like, just use the magic.
Welcome back.
I think you get one move plan. You might say you do that thing for the next 2 hours. Just that slow-mo. All right, so Cocoa for the day. Now, things they happen. I wonder the kind rates at which people they carry some kind of rubbish, they go things now. Because things they really happen. The love some people get for some kind of things, they choke me. They choke price me.
Touch your ass.
See, they touch my bar. You understand? They fiddle with my bone marrow. Now, this particular guy, for inside New Zealand, how this one happened though?
New Zealand.
Now, This guy now, they come and arrest him now. Ask me why.
Why?
Say, Ogbolo, why?
Ogbolo, why?
Why they arrest this guy?
Why they arrest this guy?
In New Zealand.
Why?
Apparently, this guy I just wake up, he say he like girls who no get teeth for mouth. So now, the thing where they do now is say, any woman with the torchlight, it just come out the teeth.
Yeah.
Say, I like them toothless. That means you go like old women. I mean, so when teeth not there, your mouth no go arrange. You're gonna like to even chop anything go dey hard because
like
but when they like that, now it's spec. You understand? The same way some people they get some kind of mad spec. Some people they will like body odor. If you get body, you never hear before. Guys, if you get body odor,
we like basic.
Some that one they turn them on.
Label.
Baka. They draw them to you. Now, the whole issue now, this particular man, see him for screen there, apparently, in last girlfriend, now he can come and come the talk. Say, this guy will come on my teeth for me. How should they even talk about the reason?
So not bros, oh.
Now bros now, Epa.
Oh, man.
Say, man, I love them toothless. So now they don't carry everything go court now. Say, okay, madam, you self we can't involve for the whole thing because the guy go join your own lawyer come out too.
Oh, you go bring your lawyer
he
come
say,
out?
enough for Sam. So like what they ask the woman, say, you just sit down there, you use plan, they root out all your teeth for your mouth. As how? She said no. Say her not be her clear eye. Say the guy put one thing, and she are drinking and everything. The guy come out before she wake up the next day. Teeth don't finish for mouth.
Don't finish.
Just teeth lost finish. But the whole matter they court case now and they all look say okay fine at the end of the day. But it they surprise me when people spec. People spec.
It's on Nigeria this one. They'll tell you that man. There's not a ritualist.
There's someone using teeth to
do something.
You understand? But this one now, people spec, and it surprises me the kind of spec people get. But we can ask, what be your spec at least? Which kind annoying kind of spec you say you get?
Annoying. I don't think I get any annoying.
You sure?
Spec. Yeah. I just like make it just the average, they normal.
You know, like guys who get hair for chest.
What's happen?
I get one guy, one of my friends, he like chicks with hair for chest. You understand? You say, wow.
Sexy.
It's when you
just open chest. Just see
bush.
You're like with your guy.
They put rollers now. They take care of the thing. They use shampoo.
You're like with your guy.
You're like say, my guy, man, bro, how far? Well, but seriously, the matter they caught now, and I believe they go you took inside the whole thing, and they go find whoever they guilty for the whole thing. Because now the guy you talking own, lady talk.
Say no, they guilty.
He say no, they guilty. Say no, force the baby.
You know
the baby
where?
Say, man, I was forced onto it.
You know where?
Yeah. If not, you say the guy used to do for the girl. But different things. But any which way, now the gist for the first cocoa for the day be that. Now, cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now, I don't know. These Oyibo people, somehow, for their head, there's some things they touch. I don't reach that place now where I feel, don't know, whitey, people, something they lose.
You know, they touch. You know if you use and compare us. The thing they touch.
This guy, they put 1/3 on top social media. 1/3. When for Instagram, I've been for Facebook. They should put 1/3 that this guy, they find him since so for money free things where they got to move. They got to move things based on money matter. Then they find this guy since. Apparently, this guy can see his own picture on top of that Facebook or Instagram. When you go lock up, they find you for fraudulent activities. This guy go they like the picture. When they see person, oh, that's him. He like his own picture. See how he go like his own picture. How dumb can you be? That means you never sabi thief things now. You never.
They're not just saying.
No. This one never ripe for the movie things. You can't go they like the picture. You get what you be just me.
No, it's not still them now. We busy. Something similar. They just put and say, man, this guy they wanted though. Yeah. Everybody find they not see him. The guy can't see the picture for where they post and put. They can't go comment on and say.
Not be my name.
Not be his name. They not spell his name well.
Spell my name properly, please. Not be IG and GI.
Make it come station. Make it come correct that.
Instead, you go there say that. Actually, my name is. This is not the correct spelling of my name, please. Not be Sefiya. Please. Okay, but any which way, the question there is how dumb can you be? Seriously, but they don't catch them on top the whole thing already, and use your own hand to arrest yourself. Finally. Okay.
They catch him last.
They move. They catch my guy now. They catch it. But any which way, now they will come out on top of the cocoa for the day. 2 hours above for the day. Now be that. All right. So we go continue the whole level, and of course, we will bring in Sefiya after this particular thing. Come follow us talk about the things on top of the Jollof. Baby, give me Jollof. We will come back. The late night show. I see that beautiful girl who just chew on top of the television just now, you know, that song, Lollipop and every. Ladies and gentlemen, make una help me welcome into the show the very beautiful, the very on point baby, what they call Sefiya, as she come into the building. Sefiya, baby, cho. Hey, one yoma. Ew. Oh, blood. Hug me again. Hey, you know, oh, laga. You go dance more. You go show your moves more. Yes. Hey. Jollof. Wayo. Take a seat here. Jollof. Where we start from there? Jollof. Why Jollof? What it be Jollof? Yeah. Why the whole Jollof P and everything? Why no use agbado, boli, and different things? Must it be Jollof?
Well, I chose Jollof because I believe Jollof rice is sweet. Okay,
first you wear enter pigeon. That's one. Okay. You can do, you know, tush pigeon. Is it allowed? Yeah, so.
It's allowed. All right. Hey. Good.
Nothing the apple, but guys, you're in an area now. You're in Nigeria, you're an area girl.
Alright, so
Jollof.
Yeah, Jollof rice sweet. Yeah. So that I just didn't want to. I don't want to do anything with the regular. I don't want to do anything with the regular.
Okay.
So I decided that jollof rice was the right word to use.
For the whole P.
For the whole P, yes.
Okay, jollof rice. So you the lover of jollof rice first.
And because, you know, all this, you know, I be Igbo girl.
Okay.
And we are used to hearing things like tomato juice.
Yes.
Jollof rice. Asam pete.
Okay.
Hey!
So how does it make they feel when they corner? Hey!
I think they switch it for you know.
They switch that for body like that. You say, my jollof rice, you no one have flavor use that skill.
Of course. Like the kind of way you go here, we go Eastern region.
Oh, yes. And they talk about attitude.
They tell you.
Hi, baby girl, One yoma, ew.
Tomato juice.
But Igbo men they hail. They hail.
They hail for Africa.
Yes, no. You hear your head goes spin.
Your head goes spin. Okay, but why? I'm still on this jollof rice issue. Why no use something like abacha? You know.
No, but abacha don't sound sexy. Jollof. And you say it like you mean it.
Yeah, but you guys go put abacha. Oh, shit. You know, you go take out with emotion. Abacha with passion.
How many people don't think put abacha inside?
Yeah, but you want something different now.
No, something different.
I don't
want to talk regular thing, but jollof rice good. We dey chop jollof rice, and we say jollof rice sweet. No matter how bad we take cook, and if you manage and close your eyes, swallow them. You understand? Which one be abacha? How many people make abacha?
But abacha they make sense.
Abacha makes sense if you sabi make them.
Yes, that's true.
If person call you abacha, you know where?
No, you guys go no.
No different things. Even sweet past abacha.
Yeah, sure. And he did everywhere. He did everywhere.
We both said they chop jollof rice.
True. So you walk.
But sweet like jollof, me say it makes sense.
But sweet like jollof. So what be your spec for man?
My spec.
Your spec for a man. Before you look man say, wow, this guy be like full pot of jollof rice.
The guy has to look fit.
He has to look fit.
Have to work out.
So
when I see, I go turn look again. Fine. That's number one.
Number one.
Then you go get sense. Some guys don't get sense. I they tell you.
The way they talk at night, like say they don't break this your heart.
I know even smile
when they talk. Sense. No sense, guys. You get one guy that year. He just gonna break my heart. No. He just French gonna punish you.
I swear.
Some people they reveal their heartache on top of the late night too.
But we they talk to you here now.
But you say first looks. You understand?
No, at first now you have to see something. Go see something where you like. So when you see person will look fit,
so wow.
Person not supposed to like very, very fine, but just look fit. Somewhere. So you go feel safe when you're around that person. Person will feel protect you. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Now I'm gonna force some of them go enter this gym now. Because see our DJ now, that means if you enter that jollof rice level, Abi.
No, of course, this one makes sense.
It makes sense, Abi. If you come out
you don't get one, but I don't say you'll get better abs.
No, that abs, we see they work on now. Now me get the abs. You know, I get Come on. Go, Sefiya, why they do anyhow like this now? No, seriously. Sefiya, if you see my abs, see, they're hidden, no.
You never really like to shop fufu.
No, now, come on. I'm me like this. You see me, I be like body like this. Sefiya, what's wrong with you now? You know, this one, I be like, who do like fufu like this?
You're the young pigeon anyhow for this place.
The pigeon are washing now. Forget this whole thing. No be joke, understand? But him now. Okay, so you enter that jollof rice.
That's the fry hair.
Would they increase your market? They talk rubbish. I hear they talk,
I see him smile.
Wow.
Come wear earrings.
Wow.
But I know they into earring and frying of hair. My mom is just look fit na number one.
Yeah,
then when I can't talk to you, can't make sense. You get brain.
Okay.
That's two. And you guys work hard and you guys, that's they make money now. So yeah.
Okay.
And God fearing.
But when I get into when I think they measure guys they will get brain because of
No, now sometimes when you sit down just like you now, if you sit down talk with woman, you go know that I won't get head or no.
But some guys they
don't be
see
about makeup for women.
Yes.
Just like guys, don't be about wearing designer, wearing everything and looking fit and all that. If you look fit and don't get anything for it, no sabi talk nothing. So also at the end of the day, you want person be say if you sit down beside the person, una go fit
the young things.
Yes.
But some guys they will not even get this thing where they apply for. Some girls they.
No, I know now.
I want a man that's very, very intelligent.
But
she knows intelligent too.
I know. I did very smart too.
You are now. I know the way they young, you be like over smart. They worry themselves. Hey.
Ask my manager.
That now the move be that. That you don't want to know.
No, you don't want to know.
I don't want to know.
I don't want to know.
You. Don't even start with me. Okay. Some phrase, some girls they tell you, you know, say don't go there. Not try it.
But they talk true now.
Then of course now you the yarn and plain. No be say you don't color the whole thing.
Nobody feel beats me for this place.
Yeah, you know they do the thing, pass it, what it. They will get off me, bounce for back. You all come say, where do you talk? Different is picture. You understand? So Sefiya now music now. We enter the whole music P. You come from which side for Nigeria?
Abia State.
Abia State.
Yes.
But they speak Hausa.
Yeah, I was born in Kano.
Yeah.
But don't tell me they born. My Hausa don't leave me small.
Okay, just speak small because I like to hear ladies they speak Hausa. They sound very. How I want to talk now. Just speak. Hey, just.
Najinyunwa.
Najinyunwa. It be like go. In Najinyunwa.
If you can finish now, why you stop?
I don't talk and make you answer me now.
It's in a question you ask me.
Okay.
You understand? So.
As we they talk like this.
Yeah.
My belly they tell me I'm supposed to chop.
Oh, you want chop food? If you start with this one first. no, she go shop. Producer, she must chop before she leave the show. You understand? Because Chia is a very somebody that waited for us the very, very long way. You understand? But that's when you speak just now. What's be the meaning?
I want chop now. I feel hungry.
Okay. Ebin Pami, na Yoruba.
Ebin Pami. Agro na
Igbo. But that Hausa way you speak still sound like Igbo in a way. Maybe you use your Igbo tongue. They speak the Hausa language. So
all the English I don't speak sense.
Yes.
You know, some people they see me, they don't even know I'm Igbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause.
Why?
I don't know.
Because you get Hausa swag.
I don't know.
Why don't they waka like this now?
That one are dance step. Now why they talk like that? All the Malu guys go vex for you.
When I know vex, so I think they want us for Abuja, Kano, everywhere. They don't find me call Lagos. Na joke. Na just joke. Wait.
That one are dance.
Na dance. Now
go even add to the shocky self, everything. No.
Shocky level. So, music now, Sefiya. Now your song first Jollof. Now they do wire. Now they feel everywhere now. Why you decide to go back to say, okay, wire? What be the material they try to preach for the whole thing? See now about life, they try to say, okay, wire for the love level, For the
love level, as make it come easy and all that.
That means no like man, which they come off to you like, no, baby, I love you.
And that one I die now. You listen to yourself, you know say no jail, as in they romantic at all. Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh.
Yes.
The law don't they change these days.
Of course.
They'll tell you say slow and steady wins the race. Some will tell you if you wait, time waits for no man. Which one can choose? They confuse our life.
No, that one for time. That time when I walk. If you sit down, the business pass you.
But they say slow and steady wins the race.
No, for when it comes to love affair.
Yeah.
But not slow. You don't go too fast. Because sometimes when you too enter like that, you don't go walk.
You go pursue the person.
Exactly.
So you have to just take it on the one year level.
Knock.
Oh, and more than again. We learn every day for this show. You understand? Easy bit. Do your own Bluetooth. You You understand? So we don't learn her now. Now, I knew it to open the show now.
Okay.
Sefiya, before Wire, before Lollipop, what you done they work on before now?
Before now, I actually started as a model.
Okay.
And I guess I used to be a very shy person, and modeling really helped me, you know.
To break loose.
You know, because sometimes you go audition, it's like 7 people. Someone will ask you questions, someone will ask you, At the end of the day, you just have to, I just scratch head that time for answer question.
So you think they fall your hand anyhow?
I did for my one day, one man can come because I don't meet him 2 times. So like, waiting do your head. It's like the head don't hold. Oh, you know, they're comfortable.
I say, I have license, state license.
No, don't figure, too fresh now.
I know, I say you're too fresh. No.
You do for my hands, would it cheat?
No, I don't say, come on. You're over fresh, you worry you now. What's wrong to you?
Like, I use that word.
Okay, more use on that thing.
No, like, I was shy.
You were shy. Okay, just your shyness. Then they cause you're scratching of your head.
I think they say you're fresh, be shy again.
No, not shyness now.
Shy.
When you're shy, you're shy. You replace the SH by the CH. You understand? Shyness and shy.
And my shyness.
And so back to your modeling days now.
So modeling really helped me. Okay. After modeling, I started doing movies once in a while. My first was Tinsel. I was on Tinsel as an extra, and it really helped me, you know, because I've always loved acting. Okay. I love entertainment, but when it comes to entertainment, I'm comfortable with acting, modeling, and singing. Okay. Yeah, so I did Tinsel and a few others. Okay. I was my first cinema film was premiered last year in London, and it's going to be premiered this year. I'm going to get you guys free tickets to come watch me.
Yeah, so correct.
And I played a very sensitive role.
Sensitive?
Kepi don't rape me for the film. You have to see it. Yeah. This is how I find. I will work for the film.
Okay, wait. Back to the. So they by force torchlight you for the film like this.
As in, I don't get choice. Strip.
So that but they show everything.
That's why you have to see the film.
Okay. Easy bit. If we not see that film.
No.
Oh, beloved.
How many tickets?
For the full squad, no worry. Just bring like 20. We appear there. We appear there. So Sefiya, the sharp level now because we will end up for the whole, the whole thing now. So now, what's after this whole level now? Okay, you know, so you don't do music. You do music now. You want to do fashion, acting, self, don't join for the whole thing. So now, say after music now, go here and that thing. Maybe you go turn to businesswoman or one thing.
No, I do business. In between, I do business. And that's why I take help my music career. Okay. I do sell properties. I do interior decoration.
Wow.
Yes.
So you alone are a hustle.
Now I talk to any person will get head. Person will encourage me. Person will have to talk to.
Exactly.
Because I can't talk to you and you can't talk to me. Then I waiting be relationship.
So the man has to get things for head. So anyone did now.
You go better. Number one, you even better pass me. Okay. So I'll be able to listen to you.
Okay.
Do you understand? Okay. Of course, because you cannot talk to me. What you want to tell me?
Not true, Sha. Not true. Some men
did. What you want to tell me? If not business, even though you know go school, not business you do go do and well.
At least do and well.
Go do and so you go fit talk to me and I fit talk to you. Else.
If not. If you be tough.
You know, no, I don't
now. I feel Sefiya, no, they look forward to bigger things from you at least this year and of course the years to come. I know see your name said with the enter things and every.
That's so it's supposed
with the council awards and everything.
How you take no?
I know now. I they prophesy into your life now, Sefiya. You understand me? So you take it now. Awards they come, bigger things they come. The man will get good head they come. We get good head.
Better one.
We get good head. But where you go see, where you go respect. Your mouth not go run, no.
I'm going to be quiet because I won't talk again.
You understand? So supposed to sing one song now for my Malabi. So Sefiya, and I go lead this chorus now before I can go break. You understand? Then we end up. So Sefiya, we need a song for my Malay. So they watch now. So which song we'll sing for her for happy birthday?
Can I sing one song? Because you put your voice, you go spoil them.
No, with that nice fire now.
With that fire.
They watch now.
Look at our face.
I get kata and cough.
Sorry, no verse. Just sing.
My fans go understand.
They go understand.
You go understand, guys.
You know we deal with you.
All right. This is to mommy.
Mommy to mommy.
Happy birthday. We are saying we love you. God be with you till the end of time. We are saying you're blessed. Happy birthday, mommy. What's your real name?
Michael.
Because no one hear that nickname.
But should they come and really make it? They come Ogbono now.
Mommy Ogbono.
Yes. Mama Ogbe. Yes.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
We love you.
We're going to chop rice later.
Yes. Even now, pound you pound. No pound jam, but your back no good. Eba. Okay, now Eba, just turn things. They come this night to come.
And egusi soup.
All right. Sefiya, I love egusi soup and everything. Sefiya, thank you very much for joining us on top of the show.
Thank you for having
me.
And
of course, we will look for to bigger things from you.
Yeah.
Sefiya, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I see the late night show. After this particular one, they get ID Kabasa, they fall into the building, and of course, we continue every. So don't go anywhere. We still come back.